Alright, so I'm gonna move some stuff around.
So I decided to make a surfer girl bedroom. I would have loved to have one of these when I was in my teens in the early 2000s. So I have an old wakeboard that I got from a thrift store in Seattle in 2007, I think. I spray painted it yellow at one point before I moved to Hawaii, and then I spray painted it blue when we moved into our house in Virginia. So it had a few layers of spray paint. It was pretty chipped, so I needed to sand it down.
So this is what it looks like now. Disregard the unmade bed and the stuffed animals hanging up there. But I got the little racks off Amazon and I used a stud finder to secure them to the wall. And I just hung it up. So I tried to get some sheets that would match because we needed new sheets for this guest room. Yeah, here's how it looks. Little monsters are still here, destroying stuff. But yeah, I love it. All right, thanks for watching.